Maybe it happened suddenly. Maybe it happened slowly, step by step, without me noticing. That's how life works. One moment the path feels familiar. The next, everything looks the same. Trees, silence, distance. I stop. Not because I'm weak, but because rushing only makes things worse. Fear wants me to move fast, but survival demands clarity. I look around. No signals, no directions, no easy answers. The light is changing. The day is slipping away. Night is coming. And in this place, night doesn't just mean darkness. It means uncertainty. It means risk. I realize something important. I can't afford panic. I can't afford excuses. I need to make a decision right here, right now. I look down. Not every ground is the same. Some ground collapses under pressure. Some ground holds. Life is the same way. Not every situation gives you stability, but some moments are strong enough to build on. I test the ground with my hands. It's cold, soft. There's space beneath. That's enough. You don't need perfect conditions to begin. You just need something solid enough to start with. I open my bag. There isn't much inside. A small blade, some rope, a lighter, a little food. It's not a lot, but it's enough. And that's when I understand something deeper. Most people wait for more tools, more time, more confidence. But survival doesn't wait. Progress begins with what you already have. I start digging. Slow, deliberate, controlled. Every movement matters. Every decision counts. No one is watching. No one is cheering. But that doesn't stop me. Because this isn't about being seen. This is about staying alive. The ground gives way little by little. The space becomes clearer. The shelter begins to take shape. Pressure builds as the light fades. Sounds feel closer now. The forest feels different. But I keep working. I gather wood, not perfectly shaped, not polished, just strong enough to hold. I place the walls carefully, one piece at a time. This isn't just construction, this is commitment. Every wall is a promise that I won't quit. Darkness settles in. Fear shows up. It always does. But fear doesn't get to decide my next move. I place the roof. I cover the space. Not to hide from life, but to protect what matters. Because some battles aren't meant to be fought in the open. Some battles are about endurance. I light a small fire. Not big, not loud, just enough. That fire isn't about warmth. It's about reassurance. It says, you made it this far. The storm can rage outside. The rain can fall. Inside, I breathe. Inside, I survive. Time moves slowly now. The night passes. And then, light returns. Morning arrives, quietly. I step outside. The forest looks different again, calmer, clearer. The shelter stands. It worked, and so did I. The journey isn't over. The destination is still far. The dream is still far. But now I know something I didn't know before. I can adapt. I can build. I can survive. I start walking again. Not with fear, with experience. Not with doubt, with belief. The destination is far. The dream is far. But it's not impossible. I won't stop. Because now I know who I am.